So you've got your loom threaded, and you sit down to weave and discover a threading error. And of course, it's in the middle, not on the edge, where it would be easy to fix. So what do? If you need to insert a heddle, there's an easy fix for it. You can make a string heddle, but you could also use a snap-on repair heddle. These come from Leclerc, and they come in 3 different lengths: 9.5 inch, 10.5 inch, and 12.5 inch. So if you've got a heddle length that matches that, you're golden. The way these heddles are made, instead of having a solid loop at the top and the bottom, it's actually 2 pieces of metal that are made so that they stay real close to each other, but they can be separated. And that's at the top and the bottom of the heddle. So take your repair heddle and go to where you know the incorrect heddle is, and kind of clear a space so that you can isolate where you need the replacement heddle to go. Then split those 2 pieces slightly apart so that you can slide up onto the heddle bar and give it a little twist. And now that's on. Then to get it on the bottom, you just flex it a little bit. Again, separate the 2 parts of the heddle and slide it down. Now it's in place. All you have to do is take the warp end out of the wrong heddle, put it in this heddle, and you're ready to weave.